Is your Chevy Traverse screen failing to launch Apple CarPlay, leaving you without maps or music on the road? Statistics show that over 70% of infotainment connection issues start with a damaged or low-quality data cable. Let us break down the troubleshooting steps to get your system back online. Start by inspecting your Lightning or USB-C cable for damage, verifying settings on the head unit, and performing a full phone restart. Software conflicts often stem from outdated iOS versions or restricted Siri permissions, which prevent the handshake between devices. If the phone is fine, your Traverse head unit might need a hard reset or a cleared cache to recognize the connection. Most fixes are easy DIY tasks, but if the issue persists after these steps, you may have a hardware failure requiring a technician. As you can see, costs vary wildly from a simple $20 cable to a significant investment for a replacement infotainment module. For advanced troubleshooting, check for debris in your USB ports and try connecting through a different port in your center console. Keep a basic kit on hand, including a high-quality cable and compressed air to ensure your connections stay clean and reliable. Remember, consistency is key, and intermittent issues are almost always caused by a failing data cable. If these steps didn't solve your Traverse CarPlay issues, check the description for official GM support links and subscribe for more troubleshooting.